We built a cleaning kanban system out of old CDs, and it's changed how our whole team stays on top of the kitchen. Our brilliant kitchen hand Lul had 3 years of cleaning knowledge, but it was all in her head. As she grows into a chef role, we needed a way to pass on that knowledge. A written checklist wasn't working, English is Lul's second language, and frankly, it wasn't visual enough for anyone. So we made this. Each CD represents a task of about 20 minutes, perfect for between cooks. Photos on the front mean anyone can understand exactly what needs doing in a single glance. But flip it open and there's key points inside, and scan the QR to find the full GembaDocs instructions. Tasks move across the rack through the week when complete, so by Friday everything should be incompleted, and it resets again on Monday. It's not perfect yet, we're still figuring out the right number of tasks and subtasks, but the visibility alone has already made a huge difference. See you next week!